on the grass, heart still slow, world moving fast.
Whisper soft, Jah, lead the way.
I lay my plans down,
You show me today.
bills on the table, worries like rain, but I feel your fire burn through the strain. Step by step,
You quiet my fear.
when you say come,
I just walk and draw near.
obey and trust Jah. That is how we walk in love. Every little step by faith, guided from above.
Obey and trust Jah,
Heart and
hand in line.
purpose in the everyday, your glory in my life. You say forgive when my pride won't fight. You say be still when I crave spotlight.
You send me back to the one I avoid.
Turn my hurt to healing,
Turn my pain to joy.
you say to give when my pocket feels tight. You say to shine in the small hidden light. So I sweep that floor
Like a holy ground.
every simple service is a praise-filled sound. Oh,
Obey and trust Jah,
that is how we walk in love.
every little step by faith.
Guided from above.
Obey and trust Jah, heart and hand in line.
Purpose in the everyday,
Your glory in my life.
when I can't see the road,
I will follow.
when the night feels long.
You still shine.
Oh yeah, when my strength run low,
You are power.
when my voice feels small.
Still your throne.
Tie my will to yours like a child hold tight.
You direct my days. You redeem my night.
In the simple yes, in the steady trust,
Jah,
you shape a life that reflects your love. Jah,
obey and trust Jah.
that is how we walk in love.
Every little step by faith,
Oh,
guided from above. Obey and trust Jah.